Hey guys, I'm Rion and I'm back with a video. In this video, I'm gonna be explaining my thoughts for the Stanley Cup playoffs 2022. And the links to these pictures are below in the description. Okay, first round, Avalanche versus Nashville. No, wait, the Colorado versus Nashville. In this match, I am feeling that Avalanche is gonna win. Feel this because Avalanche is like really good team. Nashville is also pretty good of a team, but Colorado has more potential and is like on fire right now. They have like Nathan McKinnon and all those good players. Second round. So this is Minnesota versus St. Louis. In this match, in these matches, I have a feeling that Minnesota is going to win. Minnesota is going to win. I think Minnesota is going to win. Minnesota has a good goalie. I'm pretty sure they're playing Marc-Andre Fleury out there, but I'm not absolutely sure. I'm pretty sure they are, but like they should be playing Marc-Andre Fleury out there. But, like I think they should be playing Marc-Andre Fleury out there, but I don't know for sure. St. Louis Blues, yeah, they can work on some of their stuff. They have a good goalie, but still, yeah. Like Minnesota's offense is also really good. Their defense helps with the goalie, and the goalie is also really good. So together, those things makes really good defense, and well, offense, and just offense. That's the only thing they have to work on, but it's still pretty good. Okay, let's see. From here, I think this is actually pretty easy. Dallas needs to work on a lot of their stuff. Their shots, they don't have to work on. That's amazing. I mean, a little bit of offense, deking, maybe like defenseman, and they need to get like good goalie, and yeah. But this is easy. This is full Calgary. If I call this Colorado, sorry, I meant Calgary. Okay, so this is Calgary versus Dallas. Okay, next, Oilers versus LA Kings. Now this is kind of okay. I'm pretty sure Oilers would win, cause LA Kings has like a bunch of young players. They have potential, but like in a couple of years they'd be better. Like in say 2 years, be so much better, and they'd be dominating like charts and all that stuff. So much better. But right now the Oilers is good. Oilers just needs better goalie. Oilers has like a bunch of like good players like not Alex Ovechkin. What's it called? Connor McDavid, Leon Draisaitl. Yeah. Like LA Kings has like young players. Okay, next, Florida Panthers versus Washington Capitals. Easy, Florida Panthers. They have been dominating the charts. They have a good goalie, good offense, good defense. Just they're an amazing team. Like, don't get me wrong. Like, Washington's also a pretty good team. But, like, Florida Panthers are like defeating the charts right now. Okay, I am a Leafs fan. I'll just clear that up. Okay, I am a Leafs fan, but I think Tampa's gonna win. Last time we played Tampa, they beat us 8-1. They have an amazing goalie. They have good offense. They have good defense. That's all you need. Not all you need, but like most things you need. Just gonna put that right there. Okay, now Boston versus, what is this? Colorado. Wait, no, Colorado's right here. Carolina Hurricanes. Okay, so Boston Bruins versus Carolina Hurricanes. I think Boston's gonna win. Boston has good offense, good defense, all that stuff. Good goalie. Like, they have good stuff. Not better than a lot of teams, but better than Carolina. So Boston's right there. Okay, next, New York Rangers versus Pittsburgh Penguins. Now this is kind of hard. Both teams play really well. So, and like, both teams have really good players, really good goalies, really good offense, really good defense. I think that, personally, I think that Pittsburgh is gonna win. They like, New York Rangers has so many good players, like very good stats and all that stuff, but I feel Pittsburgh has better than that. Okay, now the second round of each division. Okay, now this is easy. This is, again, very easy. It is gonna be Colorado Avalanche. There's like a lot of teams named with C's, like that starts with a lot of cities that start with C's and that are in the NHL. Like, that just gets me so confused. So that's why I'm like, okay, Colorado Avalanche would win because Minnesota, they have good stats, but it's just that Colorado has like way better stats. Like, Oilers. Okay, now this Oilers Edmonton versus Calgary Flames. Okay, let's see. Oilers needs a better goalie. Offense and defense pretty good. Now Calgary, they're even on every stats. Their goalie is pretty good. Their like offense is pretty good. Their defense is pretty good. I'm gonna go with, let's see. I'm gonna go with Calgary Flames. I'm gonna go with Calgary. Simply because they have a good goalie. If Calgary gets some shots on Edmonton's gonna lose, and I know Calgary can do that. Okay, now here, Florida Panthers versus Tampa Bay Lightning. Okay, Florida Panthers, better stats, but by a little. Florida Panthers has better stats by like very little percentage, but they still have better stats. It's just, yeah. Okay, let's see here. Pittsburgh Penguins and Boston Bruins. Pittsburgh would win that. Pittsburgh simply has better offense, defense, and goalie. That by a lot, and that is true, like very true. Okay, 1 second. I just need to do this. So yeah, Pittsburgh Penguins would win. Let me just do this. Put this right here. As you can see, it's very hard to do this. It's just weird. Okay, let's see. Colorado Avalanche versus the Calgary Flames. Colorado would win this. They have a better goalie. They have better offense. They have better defense. They have new players, and these players dominating. Like, Nathan MacKinnon might not be a new player, but he is still a very, very good player, and he is part of the Colorado Avalanche. But Calgary still has pretty good players. New players, old players, but all of them are good. But still, I think Colorado has better stuff. Okay. Oh my god. Now, the Florida Panthers versus the Pittsburgh Penguins. Florida Panthers, simply because for some reason in this season, Florida Panthers have been dominating with their offense. Pittsburgh, like, they have a good goalie, but like not good enough to take like 50 shots on him and like not let anything in, or like let only like let's say like 3 goals in. Only let that much. Like, Pittsburgh would crack under the pressure of Florida Panthers. So I think Florida would win this. Now it is on to the Stanley Cup Finals. The Stanley Cup Finals. Okay, let's see who'd win the Stanley Cup Finals. Florida has good everything. Good goalie, good offense, good defense. So does Colorado Avalanche. So it all comes down to who has the worst, like one thing that's worse, and like 2 things that are better than the other team. So I would give the Stanley Cup to the Colorado Avalanche. Simply because they have more all-star, not all-star players, but like very, very, very quick players that can dangle. Don't get me wrong, like Florida Panthers has those players, but it's just that simply that Colorado has more. So I would give the Stanley Cup to Colorado Avalanche. These are my predictions for the Stanley Cup playoffs in 2022. We'll come back in like, I don't know, maybe like, I don't know when the playoffs end. We'll come back when the playoffs ends, I'll see if our predictions were correct, see if our predictions were wrong. And I just noticed this is like, this table is filled with different colors, different teams, different stats. Just amazing. Okay, yeah, bye.